It stands invisible in plain sight.
You wouldn't even know they're here with this fence when you're driving down Broad Street. People don't even have no clue, except for his rooftop lounge now you can see.
In a corner of Rochester just west of downtown, it was time to tidy.
Peace Village, a little spring cleanup, trying to take care of the mess, start over.
Bob Reese is the unofficial mayor of the encampment that the city moved across downtown last spring.
And we're trying to clean it up because we gotta have a place to stay, and the city's coming down hard on us.
Peace Village is a community for the homeless, for the people that can't go into shelters, don't want to be in a shelter around that kind of environment.
Human service agencies leave supplies, but few people help more than Mike Kenny.
It's got to be clean.
When he's not installing floors, Mike stops by. He dropped a Christmas tree off here in December. Now he collects loading pallets or skids. They keep tents and people off the cold ground and abide by the city's non-permanent structure rules. Mike's built 4 shelters here with scraps.
We call them skidloos because they're made out of skids, like an igloo.
And when Mike's job fell through Tuesday, he headed into the sunshine and helped Bob sweep the site of tents and debris reduced by the winter.
That's what the snow does to the tents. You know, it can't hold up. But hopefully the city comes and picks all that crap up.
Mike knows that homeless shelters will close in 2 weeks because it's getting warmer, and this place will fill with new people. He knows that because he used to be a person who would live in a place like this.
I'd rather be hands-on than throw money at something and not know where it's at. If I was homeless, this is where I'd be at.
The change of season means a fresh start here. Our IT students will install a solar array to power lights and phone chargers. Bob's always raking to clean up any needles or sign of drug use on the lot's fresh black mulch. One slip up by anyone here, and Peace Village could close.
And it's actually nice for a change, you know, to actually have somebody here to help us like that, you know, because not a lot of people do.
Spring cleaning may be a chore, but on a dead end in Rochester, it can be a way to help others.
People ask me why I'm doing this. I think I just kind of hit my head, and here I am. Thing to do, place to be, right place, right time, I guess.
And a place where there is always room. In Rochester,